What's up, Ultimate family? I'm back again with yet another anticipated review of the COBRA 1.0 Forex robot by Ghatti. Is it worth $600 that it costs, or is it just another ordinary expert advisor with enticing user graphics interface? Stick around to find out. My trading results and experience after 2 weeks of testing. My beginning capital was $581. I had to load the robot on a VPS because it only executes trades during market open hours, that is London session, New York session, Sydney session and Tokyo session. I will explain this later in the user settings area. I loaded the robot into 7 major currencies, not that I recommend you do that. I did this to figure out which currency works best with the robot. On day 3, when I went to check how the robot is performing, to my surprise, most of the trades had closed in profit.
Nice.
The robot was performing quite well, although there were some trades which were out of money, but I figured if I could hold my trades they would later come back in the money. Since it was only $10 out of the money, that's a good sign, so I held my trades and waited, relaxed, with zero pressure. On day 4, the main balance had added up by only $4, while the current running trades were $35 out of the money. Not a good sign. Day 5 of trading, all the profit that was made has been taken away. The robot closed most of the losing trades. Maybe that's money management. I will still hold and see if it will recover. Day 6 of trading, the robot still struggling to recover, but still holding the line. By trading day 7, the robot had recovered almost half of the loss it had made. The robot was fast in closing the trades that are in profit, but slow in stopping the losses from accumulating to big amounts. That was my first observation. The installation process and setup of this robot is quite simple. You are provided with 2 files, one indicator and the other is the expert advisor. Install these files on their respective folder. Copy and paste to install. Follow my steps on the screen to install correctly. After you have finished installing the files, open your navigator on your MetaTrader 4 and right-click to refresh the platform in order to load new files. Scroll down to the Expert Advisor section and double-click on the COBRA D8 to attach on your chart. On the Inputs section, this is where you set up your trading conditions based on your capital investment and trading preferences. Follow my settings for the best trading performance, especially for standard trading accounts. You can change the lot size. I recommend 0.01 lots for $1,000 capital account. Set trail pips to 5.0 and trail stops to 5.0 pips. This means that every time the order is in profit or loss, the stop will be moved continuously 5 pips from the market. Set trail above to 20 pips. Set stop loss pips from 10 pips to 45 pips. You can specify the maximum number of trades allowed to run per currency and also specify the maximum number of long and short trades allowed to open per currency. This section of period of max and min should remain the same. These are the moving averages settings for determining market trend. A magic number is used to identify a trade. When a trade is opened by an expert advisor, a magic number can be associated with the trade. Leave the magic number as it is on the default. Set the time frame to current to allow the robot to analyze current market data quotes. If you set it to a previous time frame, the robot will use data based on previous market trading historical data, which is not always reliable. All these other trading settings below are not that necessary, just general settings. Set the time for start of price establishment to 1 o'clock GMT time because trading starts at this time. Set time for end of price establishment at 7 GMT time. Price is very dormant at this time. No new trades executed. End of daily session is set at 10 o'clock. This is the start of the London trading session, where most markets are active. This robot has incorporated all the 4 trading sessions on its algorithm. It will automatically know when the markets are opening, active and closing. It only takes trades during market open hours. Unlike the classic Forex trader talking robot, this part was done manually. You had to wait and switch on auto trading during market open hours. For COBRA 1.0, the process is automated. All these other settings remaining, you should leave them on default. Don't change anything. Before you start running the robot, make sure on the comment section you have allowed the DLL import, allowed imports of external experts, and allowed modification of signal settings to give the robot's algo fully access to your chart analysis for best results. All is set up now. The robot is ready to start auto trading. Press OK to attach the chart. When loading the robot into your chart, you should see the smiley face at the top right corner of your MetaTrader 4 showing the robot has been successfully loaded. The chart background should also change to blue with a green dashboard on the left side. Remember to allow DLL imports from external sources. Because this robot is not from MQL4 market, it might not be recognized by MetaTrader 4 platform. Tick the box to allow it. The robot can trade on 1 minute time frame up to 1 hour time frame. I recommend running it on all major trading currencies. I did not find it performing well on the Nasdaq pair or the SP 500 index, but you can always test under different settings. The robot has been installed with volume indicators. The robot searches for buy and sell entries on a high volume market to increase win probability. The robot is able to construct Fibonacci retracement levels automatically to help it in identifying possible key levels of support and resistance where price could possibly reverse in direction. The trailing buttons on the right side are used when a trade has been executed and you want to protect the already made profit, or if the market goes on the opposite direction. You click on trailing to activate trailing stop loss to prevent further drawdown. I will do a backtest on Euro United States dollars currency and see how the COBRA 1.0 trading algorithm would have performed from the beginning of this year. Although not a very accurate method of determining how good is the robot on a live market, backtest usually shows a trader the probability and possible outcomes while using the EA. I will set everything like I would have set on a live account, with $500 capital investment using 0.02 lot, with 1:1000 leverage, with a broker that has a spread of less than 10. I will backtest the robot on 5 minutes time frame from the beginning of this year. More settings as shown on the screen. Backtest has started. Watch how the robot executes trades, how it enters and exits the trades based on its inbuilt strategy. The green trading journal will show you what's happening on your charts. Open and running trades with their take profit and stop loss levels. The journal will also show you the closed trades and the total number of profits and loss made. I had the opportunity of using the original versions of the previous Power Nasdaq and high frequency trading robots by Ghatti. I tested both robots on a real trading account and the win rate was 50-50 win rate. No consistency on the win rate. I wanted to test and see if there is any improvement on the new robot, but I'm not convinced. Personally, the Power Private Wealth Robot Forex version was more accurate compared to this COBRA 1.0 robot. I will let you be the judge and give you this COBRA 1.0 robot for free. Unlimited license. Download your copy and test it to see how it performs. You can also access the robot on both of my Telegram channels, 100% free download. Because here at Ultimate Trading Channel, we give you paid trading robots for free. Just like that. But we have premium trading tools, such as binary bots, indicators, expert advisors, and trading strategies on my VIP premium member channel. This is recommended to those traders who have benefited from using my free trading tools and want to learn more strategies from Ultimate Trader. Hit me up on my email, displayed on the screen right now, or chat me up on my Telegram channel, and get all the info regarding my premium trading tools and strategies. At Ultimate Trading Tools, we offer services such as automation of your trading strategy into a binary bot, indicator or expert advisor. We crack, or rather, remove a license from trading systems and robots. If you would like any of these services, contact Mr. Ultimate Trader. He will provide more info. For best performance, this expert advisor needs to run on a VPS with no interruptions, because it takes trades at a particular time of day after collecting all the market data that it needs to execute a trade. You can rent a cheap VPS online, and you can also access the VPS using your smartphone using a remote desktop mobile app. Even if you don't have a computer, you can rent one online and access it with your mobile phone for only $8. My ultimate review of this expert advisor is that, first, the robot's accuracy is not consistent. The robot's strategy is affected by market conditions such as news and economic events. The fact that the robot holds the losing trades for a longer time makes it lose more than it wins. Not recommended to run on more than 2 major currencies at the same time. Backtest has ended. Our beginning capital was $500. And here are some of the backtest results. After 2 months of testing, the robot was able to make $46 profit. Although not the best estimate, I believe it's 90% accurate. From the profitability curve, you can tell that the robot had some good and bad days. On the bad days, the robot takes all the profit that it had made and it begins recovering all over again. Overall backtest results as shown. Maximum drawdown was 9%. That's $52. Not a bad statistic. But it's not the same for every currency. Some have a very big drawdown of more than 20%. Test and find your best currency with lowest drawdown. The tick modeling quality was also very accurate, meaning the data processed was 90% accurate. That's all for this COBRA 1.0 review. The MetaTrader 5 version of this robot also not profitable according to a verified buyer. Join our Telegram community and get it for free, plus many other reviews of other trading tools. Before I go, I have an investment question. If a leopard and a cheetah both had companies, which stock should you buy? The answer is the leopards, because cheetahs never prosper. Number 1 rule in trading is you should never invest money that you cannot afford to lose, and never trade with borrowed money. Before trading in the complex products offered on this channel, please be sure to understand the risks involved and learn about responsible trading. Thank you for your watch time. See you on my next video, which will be soon. If you are new to this channel or haven't already subscribed, don't hesitate and smash that red subscribe button to join the ultimate trading movement. If you subscribe now, one of your trades will close in the money before you go to sleep. Think about it. And also don't forget to like this video and share it to your fellow traders. Because sharing is caring, and here at Ultimate Trading Tools, we take care of each other on this online world of netizens. I'm out. Peace.